Hello everyone. Today we are going to understand the meaning of the terms consumer and customer. Also, we are going to understand the difference between these two terms as very often these two terms are used synonymously. So, who do you think is a consumer? A consumer is nothing but the final or the end user of a product or service. For example, the pen that you are using right now to take running notes. Did you purchase it? Maybe, maybe not. But you're definitely the one who is using it. So you will be called as a consumer. On the other hand, let's understand who is a customer. A customer is someone who has purchased the good or service and has paid a price for it. For example, if you are the one who has purchased the pen that you are using, then you are a customer as well as a consumer because you purchased the pen and you are also using the pen. But if your mother purchased the pen, then your mother is the customer and you are the consumer. Now let us move on to understanding the various points of difference between a consumer and a customer. First point, meaning. As discussed earlier, I just explained a consumer is the final or the end user of a product or service. While on the other hand, a customer is the person who has purchased the product or service and paid a price for it. Second point, resell. A consumer will not resell the product that he or she is using. For example, the pen that you are using. It was purchased with the intent of being used, not for the purpose of reselling it. While on the other hand, a customer may resell the products that he or she has purchased. For example, if it is a business organization, a wholesaler of pens may purchase the pens in bulk from manufacturer and resell them to a retailer. Third point, purchase of goods. A consumer may not necessarily be the one who has purchased the product. For example, it is not necessary that you may have purchased the pen that you are using. On the other hand, a customer is a person who has purchased the product. Coming to the next point, purpose. The purpose of purchasing a product or service for a consumer is purely consumption because he or she is the final or the end user. While on the other hand, a customer's purpose may be either of the two. The customer may either purchase the product or service for consumption or he may have purchased it for resale. For example, if the purchase is being made by a business organization, then the purpose of that purchase would be resale. While on the other hand, if the purchase is made by an individual, then the purpose of that purchase is consumption. Fifth point, price paid by. As discussed earlier, the consumer will not have paid a price for purchasing the particular product as he or she is merely a consumer or the end user. While on the other hand, a customer is the person who will have paid a price for purchasing that particular product or service. Sixth point, person. The consumer may be an individual, family, or a group of people, while on the other hand, a customer may be an individual or an organization. I hope that now you have clearly understood the meaning of these two concepts and the difference between the two. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Shri M.D. Shah Mahila College, BMS, BAFI and BAF.